Okay, Lewis, everything's running great here. Boiler pop-off valve goes off at about 125. And got a good fire built up. Of course, the blower handle is right up here. Valve. That releases some steam into the flues and gives you more draft. Tricox, always have the boiler water about halfway up on the sight glass. I'll blow the whistle here. Great, that came off the speeder. There hasn't been one available on eBay at all. And it's running real good. I'll top off the oiler when I ship it, but we'll need steam oil. We can talk about that. I'll send you a link for that. Engine runs really good. The pump works good. And this is your drain and fill. Drain it, that knob there. Of course, the engine's sitting right here, so I don't want to drain it on that. Blow steam all over it. That oiler, I have the knobs open about a quarter of a turn on each side. And you just want to fill it with steam oil. It'll last about an hour of steady running. You'll hear the engine kind of not running real well if it runs out of oil. The engine will start making noise. And as far as running the exhaust, the exhaust is over here. You're going to have to pipe it up and into the stack over here and then up. I can drill a hole in the stack and put some 3/8 pipe together. Although I can't finish it at all. Anyway, that's about it. Running really good. I'll be shipping it next week.